How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. Today we will be adding all-season WeatherTech floor mats to the 2020 Model X. One thing I do with almost every new car that I get is the floor mats. I would highly recommend it. It's definitely a plus. Keeps everything clean, keeps your floors clean, and they're easy to clean when it comes to the floor mats and how dirty they get during the wintertime and summertime, depending on where you go and what you do. So what I'll do first here is we'll take out the existing mats that came with the car. I unfortunately had a bit of a issue with delivery. Things were a little dirty, and by a little I mean a lot. So I had to come in and I actually vacuumed portions of the actual car of the current floor mats. So what we'll do is we'll take these out and I'll vacuum underneath, and then we'll get ready to put the WeatherTech floor mats in. All right, so I moved the driver and passenger seats back to their original positions. As you can see, the WeatherTech mat fits in there nicely and cleans it up. Same with the other side. Go through the car this time. See, fits there nicely and gives it a nice clean look and keeps your car clean. Summer and winter. Here in Canada, we get some pretty bad winters and the salt and everything they throw everywhere on the ground. So I'm really glad I got these. All right, so the mats are in. Right now the seats are a little bit too forward. Just adjust this here. A little too forward here. I will adjust. This will, once the actual mats have time to adjust, they will go down and actually hug the floor, which is great. You see it covers the back very nicely. It goes underneath the actual seats. I'll try and see if I can get you a view from the other side, but it actually goes right under the seats, which is really great. I don't know if you can tell there, but I'll get some flash going there and I'll show you guys there. But as you can see, very nice cut. Underneath has the lip, so the water has no opportunity to actually escape and go onto the rug or the carpet of the car. Sorry. Here's rear trunk weather mat, WeatherTech mat. Sorry. Again, I'm a little iffy about this one because I'm not sure if I will use it or not. It's good to have, but I do like having this compartment and to have access to it. I do have access to it now, but obviously you have to like lift that up and push this back down. I'll probably keep it the way it is and test it out for a couple of weeks, see if it irritates me, and I'll take it out and put it somewhere else. There's the other side here. Again, as you can see, it goes all the way underneath and in behind the seats as well, which is really nice. So keep it nice and clean. So here's the front WeatherTech mat. Again, it looks great. Fits the size really nice. keeps it nice and clean. It even goes into that little crevice over there. And again, it has the lip so water will not go onto your carpet. Great looking product. Great product from WeatherTech. Definitely recommend getting the WeatherTech floor mats. I've had them in the previous car, which was the Audi. We have them in my girlfriend's car, which is the Jag, and they work great. I don't have any complaints about it, which is why we're going to be doing it for this car as well. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button to see more videos coming out in the future, and hit the like button so more people can see this video. Also, upcoming videos I will be posting will be about the touchscreen features, the key fob features, and we'll go through some smart summon and some summon forward and reverse features that this car has to offer.